Hello everyone, Sergio here. Today I'm going to show you how to check your students' grades in the organization plan. In the classroom page, go into the assignment and click on your student submission. Now, auto-grading has been applied to all cards, but you can still tweak this further. In organization plan, you have access to rubrics. You can change the student's score by changing each rubric individually if you prefer. You can also leave a comment if you like. This step is optional since all questions, regardless of card type, have been automatically graded. But still, you have control over every single grade that's applied.